So today we are explaining how we can clip a polygon. So for example, I'll just explain the theory. If I have a polygon like this and I have a window in this way, a rectangular window. So after clipping, my whole diagram should look like this is polygon clipping. Now we'll explain how we can do this using our C++ code.
This is our main function. In this we are taking the minimum coordinate, that is x min and y min of the window, and the second coordinate, that is x max and y max of the window. And next we are taking input, that is the sides of the polygon, and after that we are putting the coordinates of the polygon. And these are the functions to put the color. So, for example, here we are putting color red of the polygon to be clipped, and this is for the window. And these are the functions clip L, so that to clip the left portion of the polygon, and this is clip T, that will clip the top part of the polygon. This function, that is clip PR, that will clip the right part of the polygon. And these are the parameters. In this we are passing the coordinates of the line. For example, here we are passing, for example, if we are taking this L1 line having the coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we are passing the coordinates x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Now I will explain you the function clipping left and right, top and bottom. This is the function clip L, that will clip the leftmost part of the polygon. So here we are passing the parameter, that is the coordinate of the two ends of the line, and here we are checking the coordinates, x coordinate of the line. For example, here we have coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 of the line L1. And now we check whether x2 is greater than x1 or x1 is greater than x2. According to we will switch to the condition. Here, if x2 is greater than x1, then our slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Else it will be some value we are taking, for example 10,000. And next what we do is we will check whether the two coordinates, x coordinates of the line is greater than minimum x minimum of the window, or it's for example, if it's greater than both of the x coordinate of the line is less than x min, so it is completely outside the window, so it will be totally clipped. We can conclude it from here. Or else if the one x coordinate of the line to polygon line is less than window x min, and one is greater than window x min, so we have to clip the line. And how it works,
To repeat again, I'll say that to check, I'm just there are 4 conditions. I'm just checking one of the condition, that is how to clip the left part. So I'm checking my x1 is whether less than x min and x2 greater than x min. If yes, then I'll go for clipping the left part. In this, what we are doing, we see that the x1, the revised x1 part will be equal to the x min. So we substitute the x min value to array of k, that is the x1 actually. Next, what we do, by using the slope that we had found, we find the next coordinate, that is y1. In that and we keep x2 and y2 without changing it, because that will be y2 we are using for clipping the top and bottom part, and x we are using for clipping the left and right part, and right now we were clipping left. In the similar fashion, we are going to check for the other coordinates. This is already clipped. The better part we get is this as array of k, and this is array of k plus 1. So we get a line over here. In the next one, we'll just calculate. So these two I'm explaining again. For the line we were checking, what we do, we revise our x1 to be array of k and y1 to be array of k plus 1. Thus our diagram looks like this. This part is array of k and array of k plus 1, and we'll keep it x2 and y2 as array of k plus 2 and array of k plus 3.
So after doing the clip L of the function, we what we got is our for example, it is our L1 line. So the left part of our line is clipped, and now the line is like, our polygon is like this. It will look like something like this, and having its left part of the L1 line clipped.
Hence we run the code.
This is
Thus the code after compiling. Now we run the code. Coordinates of the rectangle clip window, x min y min we give as 200 and 200. X max y max as 400 and 400. Number of sides, we are taking a triangle. The coordinates are 150, 300, 300, 150, 300, 300. This is the polygon before clipping. The polygon after clipping. This is our code, we compile it. We run it. The coordinates of the rectangular clip x min y min are 200 and 200. X max y max are 400 and 400. Sides, we have taken a triangle, so 3. The coordinates are 150, 300, 300 and 150, 300 and 300. This is a polygon before clipped and after clipping.